The sketch picture tool is a fairly useful tool if you're trying to create a profile using a sketch. For example, if I create a sketch here and go into Tools, Sketch Tools, and choose the Sketch Picture option, I can bring in a picture. We'll bring in a picture of the Lotus badge from Lotus Cars. Then I can go ahead and change the dimensions here. I'll set this to 4 inches. And with that locked aspect ratio, it'll go ahead and keep the same dimension for both the height and the width. I'll go ahead and actually remove that and change that to 4 as well. And then I want this to be centered at the origin, so it's going to be easy to draw circles at the center to match these outside edges. I'll set this to -2 and the Y to -2 as well. You can also rotate the picture if you want. I'll go ahead and leave that at 0 degrees. And then from here you could draw in that profile and try to recreate the badge using lines and arcs. But that should give you the general gist of how to use a sketch picture. If we did want to come back in and edit that sketch picture, you can also do that by editing the sketch and double clicking on the picture. And that'll bring back in those sketch picture properties.